So over here by default, you can see that the appearance of this particular app is white. But if you want to go ahead and change the appearance, then you can simply go ahead over here onto settings right here. Then what happens is that you can go around and see the settings right here. So now from over here, you can go to customize. And here you can see that right now it's selected as device default. You can go around for light mode, which is what I have right now because my system is light. It actually mimicked my system settings, but you can go for dark mode as well. And now everything, as you were to see, is in dark mode. So if I were to actually go around over here, you can see that the app color right now is this. It's light pink. I can go ahead and change it to green as well, just like this as well. And just like that, you can see that the app color and all the settings will change out accordingly. And that is how you can customize it out according to how you want. So I'm just going to go around onto light right here. And let me just select out the app color to be something else like blue right here or orange, just like this, as you can see. And then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can customize out app appearance inside of Structured. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.